I want to give my honest review and give my opinion of this native body wash. I have absolutely loved this. I actually got this as a gift. It's the eucalyptus mint flavor, not flavor, scent. And I have absolutely loved it. And I'm going to tell you the things why I love this body wash. So first, it is sulfate free. I don't even know how to say that, but I think it's paraben free, dye free, and who knows what that is, but it's also free of that. But now, it's funny that I say all of that because a lot of body washes and a lot of stuff that we use has all of these ingredients. But if you're like me, you have no idea what these ingredients mean. And that's why I like this body wash, because it tells you what it actually means. So when you're looking at, your deodorant or your shampoo or your body wash, you're seeing all these ingredients, but who's actually going to research what each of these things means? And they just explain it exactly for you. Water, this one, who knows what coca hydropyl betaine, I don't even know what that is, but it says it's a cleanser derived from coconut oil. So it's really cool that it explains that for you. And then the directions are just simple: lather, sing, rinse. Oh, I didn't even see that. But it's just super simple. They keep it simple, and it smells amazing, and it's just super high quality body wash.
Hey guys, I'm Kate, and I wanted to give you a quick 60-second review of this native body wash. So this particular one is the coconut and vanilla, and this stuff smells divine. I wish you could smell it through the camera because it doesn't just smell like coconut. That vanilla that they add into it really takes it to the next level. It just, I don't know, it reminds me of the beach. Like, it just takes me to a happy place every time I use this. So I love this full-size product. This is the 18 fluid ounces. So this usually lasts me a really long time. I would say probably maybe 4 months or so, because you don't really need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. It lathers up really nicely. And I would buy this just for the scent, but I love that Native has really clean ingredients and they're just a really good company. So definitely a good recommendation.